Hello, this is KP Dharigowda. Today we have to learn how to solve problems on percentage. How to solve problems on percentage through tricks without any using chalk piece and pen, paper, this. How we have to solve. That today we have to discuss. See, now only you told and without chalk piece, see, for tick mark I am taking this chalk piece. See, first one, 12% of 100%. Before that, we have to go what is half. Say, 20 of 30 means what? Say, rupees 20s, what? Currency notes are there. How many leaves are here? 30. 20 currency leaves of 30 means 600 rupees you have, na? Isn't it? It means that half means multiplication and 20 30s are 600. Okay? Then see here what? 20% of 40. What is this 20% of 40? See, 40 is 20% you have to take. 40 rupees is there. It's 20% you have to take. How you have to do is, this is what? This is 0.02. No, yaar. Here it is 0.2 it is. 0.2 for the 8. This is 101 place. That is nothing but 8 rupees. 20% of 40 rupees is 8 rupees. Okay. One more I am giving you. Half of 1/4%. Half of 1/4%. The number itself is half, 0.5 or 50 paisa. It's 1/4 percentage you have to take. Then how you have to do is 1/2 into 1/4 into its value is 1/100. That is, say, 1/800 it is. Then how you have to multiply this? See, percentage means 00 in denominator and 4 2s are 8 it is. Doing all these you will save. Okay? See, you understood now? Mostly you understood. Then if it is so, 8% plus 9%. See, when A is there, 8A plus 9A is equal to 17A it is. 17%. If your answer is in decimal and fraction, then it will be 1700, 17/100 or else 0.017 it is. Like this. Plus. Got? Then if it is here off or multiplication, then how you do? Say 8 9s are 72% it is. No, percentage square is there. Then how you have to do is, see, this is what? 8/100 into 9/100 it is. So 72/10,000 it is. 72/10,000 it is. This. Then 8 9s are 72% square you can't do. So what you have to do? Two places you have to. Here percentage without percentage, if you want to do is this much. And if you want to put percentage, then 0.72%. Huh? See now. It is 72 by 100%. Percent, very least it is. Now itself is out of 108. It's out of 109 means this much will come. Out of 10,000, 72 will come. So, what tricks you have to use here, I am giving now. See, without chalk piece, without pen, how we have to solve. First one, 12% of 100%. Here answers are given 1.2, 0.12, 1.12 and 12. See, itself is, this is itself is what? 0.12. Then this is gone. 12 rupees is gone. 1, 2 is also gone. 1.2 is also gone. And out of 100, 100 taken means what? 1 rupees it is. Then it remains same only. So answer is this. This makes no difference because 100% means 1 it is. Okay? Out of 100, 100 taken means 1. So this is also gone. Then C is right answer. Okay? Then here answer is in decimal, whereas question is in fraction. Then what to do? Here you have to make this into decimal. This means 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. Yes. Yes. And it is multiplied by 2. Then 3 will come. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay? See, 3 came. Then only 1% is there. Okay? Then 2 places are compulsory. Gone, gone. Whereas here 2 places, here 3 places. Then confusion is ahead now. Then what to do is 5 2s are 10. One more place is required. Because of percentage, 2 places. And 5 2s are 10. Because of 1 0, another percentage. Another place. So, B is our answer. Okay? Like this. Then you came here for third part. Plus is there. Whereas here whole numbers are there. Answers are in decimal. What to do? 10% plus 20% it is 30%. 30% means 0.3 it is. D is our answer. Isn't it? 3 means 30% means what it is? 30 by 100. 30 by 100 means it is 3, it is not 0.3. So it is not our answer. A is our answer. This is 3 places? No. This is 2 places? No. Only 1 place will come because 0 here is there, but it makes no act. It makes no dance. Only 3. It is 10 to 3. Then 100 to 30. Okay. So here same thing. Value of 1 if you taken, then same thing will come. Here 3 of 100% is equal to 100 of 3%. Isn't it? See, up 100 it is, down also 100 means it is 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 is our answer. 100% means 1 it is. 1 3s are 3 only. This is 3 by 100 into 100 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Then fifth one, see, without making any, how we have to find answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 already are there because it is in fraction. whereas this is in decimal and percentage. Then see how to check. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros should be there. Then 3 zeros gone. 4 zeros should be there. And 3 answers remained. C is not our answer. Then because of percentage, another 2 places. So in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A is our answer. In total 6 zeros are required. Because of this fraction 4 zeros, because of percentage 2 zeros. Okay. 1 by 2% of 1 by 3. The answers are in fractions. 3 2s are 6. 6 will come. No problem. Here denominator should be 6. Whereas here it is 6, 6, 6. 3, it is gone. Our answer is not there. And because of percentage 2 zeros. Because of percentage 2 zeros. Here no zeros. Here no zeros. B is our answer. Okay. You have to use these tricks into your upcoming examination. Any kind of CET, if you solve like this, you will save the time here. And you can utilize the same time into your difficult questions. Okay. Thank you for learning. Share, subscribe and like. Thank you.